Hi! 21 today. Here we go, off to Telgte.
Telgte.
Yeah.
Telgte.
18 miles.
18 miles. Hopefully along the cycle lane the whole way, along the 51. That'll be fun. Join us as we start day 21 to Telgte for hashtag BERLON for children in need. Let's do it. Okay, alright, yes. So today is a weird day. It's Sunday. It's empty. There's hardly any cars about. The weather is about 18 degrees, but it's still slightly nippy. It's threatening rain. It's just a weird day today. Doesn't feel right. There's no benches, bus shelter, or anything like that. So we're just sitting on the curb now. Mark?
Yeah, and we had to set off, and of course none of the shops were open and we couldn't find a gas station, so we've got no water. So we're pelting along full speed, sweating away. The Glandorf should be coming up fairly soon, so we can replenish. But yeah, odd day. Whoa,
I am alone, wayfaring stranger, driving through this world alone. There is no sickness, toil or danger, and the bright land which I go now. I'm going there to see my mother. I'm going there, no more room. And I'm only going over Jordan. And I'm only going on my own now. We just summoned the rain, didn't we?
we did.
That was mad.
That was stupid.
Hello everyone. We were walking and walking, the rain has stopped. We had to sing the song again to unsummon it. Unsummon?
Desummon.
Desummon? To desummon it. We're walking through a very quiet Glandorf at the moment. Obviously it's Sunday, so no one's out. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Nice little town.
We've just picked up some coffees and water and things like that, which is what we need, because otherwise we'd die. We don't want that. Apparently there's a 200-year-old windmill somewhere. Windmill?
Windmill, yes, it's flying around here somewhere.
Windmill, which isn't that old, really. But
well, there is a 750-year-old one as well, but that doesn't get any attention.
no, because it's ugly. So we are coming out of Glandorf now, back onto the 51, and push on for the next 11 miles-ish. 11? 13 miles to Telgte. Something German. Bye.
Dude, what's up?
Well, I was just walking along after a lovely coffee at this little place up there.
Yes.
And this bit, my hill, is just really killing me.
Okay.
I can't put any pressure on it or walk on it.
Well, take the time you need, you know, and just sort of like get a move on, because we've got to get there.
Yes. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec to massage my foot.
Yeah. And that, folks, is another nut in the nuts and bolts of this story.
Okay, we're at a bus stop, which we thought wasn't a bus stop, but now it is a bus stop because we wanted it to be a bus stop, and now we're at the bus stop. Excellent. We must have sat on about 200 bus stops this journey.
There is no more welcome sight to the world walking, weary, wandering, wending walker. That was good.
That was brilliant.
That's just then a shelter with a little H for the bus and a bench God, deep joy. And here we are in the middle of nowhere. But we have a bench.
We have a bench. Excellent. How far are we? Oh, I'll try that again, shall I? How far away are we?
Well, it was an 18-mile day, and I checked a little while ago, and we were 10 miles in with 8 to go, so I should imagine we're 11 in now with just 7 to go.
Yeah. We'll be there soon. Hotel Marianne Linda.
Yes. The world famous Hotel Marianne Linda, where no Hollywood star has ever stayed. Yes, we come from Bad Iburg, we've gone through Glandorf, we're now here, and that's the hotel. So, it's all there. It's all there.
Excellent.
Jolly good.
I'm sure they trust us.
Yeah.
There's so many ladybugs about. What's that? Ooh, it's taken off. Camera shy.
Yes, really.
It's quite a few. Yes, we're gonna go now. We're gonna walk.
When did ladybirds become ladybugs?
Ladybugs?
Yeah.
Did I say ladybug?
You said ladybugs.
No, it's fine. It's exactly the same thing.
Yeah, no. But,
Do you have an issue with ladybug?
I have no issues whatsoever.
Hello. Hello. How do you do? Who's looking at us? Oh look. Are they fighting or kissing? Mwah. Oh, headbutt. Go on, go for the kisser. Okay, for the past 2 miles we've been going ham and just doing it. But that sun is beaming down, heat exhaustion is a thing, and in October as well, isn't that right?
It's crazy. It's crazy. This time of year, I mean, after all we were cold a few days ago, we were actually
even this morning
really
it was a bit chilly.
But the sun has come back out, it's 22 degrees today, and it's just a killer.
It really is. It really makes me lethargic and slow down, and my legs are aching for the first time, so not good, but we're still going to push on and get there. We've got a mile to go, so excellent stuff. We'll see you at the hotel. So this river we're looking at right now is called the River Ems, and it goes all the way up to the top of Netherlands. All the way up to the top of Netherlands, crazy. Our hotel is just down there, so
I'm popping in for a paddle. Hello. Well, one of the things that we noticed we didn't do was just sort of like fill in what happens at the end of the walking day, because usually we're quite exhausted and we just want to get in and sort of like settle down. But just to fill you in on those details, once we get checked into the hotel, we'll usually pop in, have a shower, freshen up after the day. Then it's the daily discussion as to whether we're going to be eating in, eating out. Some of the restaurants we go to, some of the hotels we go to got their own restaurants. Can be a bit pricey, otherwise it's one of the cafe bars around here. Or sometimes we'll go to the local Aldi, Lidl, whatever, and have a little picnic in the place. Following on from that, I will sit down and write the log of the day, and Lucas will focus on the edited highlights on his laptop, putting together these vlogs. Yes. As he's currently doing, as we can see, putting together the vlogs like this one, which we very much hope you're enjoying. Then it's chill and chat time before lights out, and then we do it all again the following day. See ya. Hello, it's day 22, and here we are just leaving. Where are we leaving? Telgte, the beautiful Hotel Marianne Linda or something. And today is a very short day to Munster, 7.1 miles according to Google Maps. That's it. So yes, nice little trip through, and then of course we've got the day off tomorrow. So how are we feeling, Lux? And I'm sure many of us feel the same. What's that I see over the hill? Is that a Munster? Is that a Munster? What's that I'm seeing over the hill? Is that a Munster? Is that a Munster? So we're now in Munster. That was a short 7-mile walk to get into here. We've now got a day and a half off, so we will catch up with you when we're back on the road. See you then. Well, hello folks, here we are leaving Munster after a gorgeous day and a half off. Heading off to Dulmen today, so it's an 18-mile day. Bit of a stretch, no cycle path in some of the paths, but hey, we're up, we're smiling, and we're ready for anything.
Right.
Let's go.
Hi everyone.
Hello. That's one very large lake, and a very attractive lake coming out of Munster. But as I mentioned to my partner in crime,
That's me.
it was much easier getting into and out of Munster than it was Hanover. Oh God, was it easier. So, yes, we're heading for the wilderness of the countryside now. Hello! I thought it would be a good idea to shoot a little bit of film inside a tunnel. And then I realised with traffic roaring along, you won't hear a bloody word that we say. But anyway, just for clarity, that's where we come from Munster. And this is where we're going towards Dulmen. And this is the bridge. And this is Lucas.
What's up?
So we're very ready for the rest of the day. See ya!
Okay, having a little sit down. We have got 11 miles to go. We're just pushing on along a lovely cycle
Let's try English this time.
a lovely cycle path, which has taken us up to Dulmen, hopefully, all the way. And it's a good day, it's lovely weather. What you just saw there is a tiki bug, which we can only find in Germany, and we saw a few in Czech Republic too. Yes, that's interesting. Bye. Oh, would you like to add anything, Mark?
No, I think you've covered it all beautifully, as ever, Lucas. You're so good. Hey, hello from Bulden. We are storming this today.
We really are. What's the time?
Time is 10 to 3.
And we've got 4.5 miles to go.
Out of the 18 that we started at 10 o'clock.
Man. We've been thundering along. It's been brilliant. A great day. We're having a little sit down, having a bit of Wasser. And then we're going to push on for the last 4.5 miles. So we'll see you at the hotel. Huh?
What is it we say? Can we just have one day without hiccups or hitches or whatever?
So it seems to be tradition on these vlogs and on these days and on this walk that we get so far, and then the path runs out.
3 miles to go.
It's 3 miles, and this is what we're dealing with. That was the cycle lane that we were coming down, and it gets to here and it stops. We can't even switch over to the other side of the cycle lane because, well, we get this. The only way we can really go is up here. So now we've got to find another route, which is always great fun, as we know, as you guys know. Spanner in the works. We'll find a way around. Always do. Okay, so we've decided on a plan. Mark found another route that goes to the left here. So instead of going up here, we are just cutting through a little bit and walking up there.
Up those trees to where that tractor is currently ploughing, bit further, and then scooping back in towards Dulmen.
All the way over there.
Hopefully.
So that's the plan. Hopefully it works. We're going to crack on now, and we should see you in Dulmen.
Okay, so we had to come off that road and take the side route, which has brought us very circuitously around all of these fields. We're walking through wilderness with the mud and the muck all around us, simply in order to get back onto the road to take us into Dulmen. So yeah, pain in the butt, we're getting wet, but hey, it's all part of the job. See ya. Just when we thought that the detour around the fields and the soggy rain was the last impediment rock on our journey. We've now come into town and our hotel is just up there on the right, but we're waiting for trains, and it looks like the population of Dulmen has been waiting for this train for quite some time, and there's no sign of it coming. So we're just going to stand here, continue getting wet, wait for the train to pass, and then finally get into the hotel.
Hello everyone. We're in Dulmen, and we are in the hotel. Iburg, Dulmen.
Well, we stormed the first 15 miles.
Yeah, we did. Yeah. That roadblock, man, it's the roadblocks. They always freaking get us. And we had to make a detour, but it's fine in the end. Raining again, return of the rain. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Anything to add, Mark?
No, I'm gonna dry out now.
Yeah, shower, food, vlog, bed. That's it. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Yeah, see you tomorrow. It's day 26.
26.
26.
It's day 26.
There's 29 to go.
And here we go.
And it's day 26.
Yeah, let's.
And we're here. We're at.
With the Schumann Hotel Schumann.
Yeah.
Houten am See.
And we're going to Schermbeck. Schermbeck. We're going to Schermbeck today.
Back of the Scherms.
It's 9 miles.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Whoosh.
Let's do it. Do the thing. Do that thing. Do it. So ready to go?
Give it a love, and I'm staying right here for the next hour.
We have got Starbucks, so that's a good thing. But I think we're just going to wait for that to blow over. We'll be waiting a long time.
Oh, this is nice.
This is lovely.
It's bloody closed, but it's nice. You see, this is where German efficiency is really kicking in, because 3 o'clock is the check-in time, and we thought, maybe a bit of flexibility, a bit of leeway. Oh no. Here we are at 2:15 with a 45-minute wait for somebody to show up and let us in. But it does look very nice.
Yes, very nice. So being a short day, only a few things happened today. We left the gas station. It was raining a little bit. We were along the hard shoulder again. It was getting thinner. But then we got into Schermbeck, where we are now. We took a right into the town. We went to Really?
I would say Revy.
Revy. Got some Revy. And we got a few bits. We got some milk. We got some more Wasser for tomorrow. But more importantly, we got supper for today, because God, the prices for this place, jeez. So yes, all is good. Oh, and we got a bit of cake too. I got a walnut brownie, which looks chunky and chocolatey and gorgeous. Mark, what did you get?
Well, I got two things. I got an apple flaky pastry thing, one of those, and I got a chocolate boomerang, or chocolate horseshoe.
Are you going to try and throw it?
Yes, right at your head.
Okay, well we've got to wait another half hour before we can be let in, and it's turning very cold. I might put my jumper on in a sec, but it's very brisk, isn't it, Mark?
Brisk is the word, yes, a little breezy. And my action trousers are useless.
So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this vlog, I don't know what it's going to be, so I'll end it now. So
stop muttering and rambling.
Bye. I'm not muttering and rambling. This is for me, for when I edit, so I'm... Whatever. Shut up, Mark. You don't know. You don't know what it's like.
You don't know what it's like.
Okay, we're going, bye.
Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, to love somebody the way I love you. And cut.
It's no use